I'm gonna go because I'm in panic mode.
Oh wait, I want a picture of him first.
Well, you can take a picture of them, but they're coming towards me rather aggressively, and I'm worried that they're gonna squash the car.
Then,
Right.
wait, I can't get a picture because my phone's locked.
I'll hurry up because I'm stressing.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm stressing. I don't know whether I'm gonna get squashed. El, look how close they are now.
Oh god.
Oh shit.
Where are they?
They're right in front of me, El, and I don't know what to do.
Let me see.
And there's cars behind me as well.
Let me see. Where you gone? Oh, Pete.
What'd you do? How'd you get rid of cows out the road?
Let me see.
No! I don't...
Let me see.
Do you bib them or what? And if I bib them, they're going to get angry.
I don't know what the car's behind you doing.
Oh no, it's wrecking the hedge. Is it going to do that to my car?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that one's angry.
I know. Do you know what I mean?
Block your doors so they can't get in.
Alright, they're going now. Right. Can you not get hold of a person? A farmer?
Alright, let me see. I'll see what I can do.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh shit, they're all coming back now.
Has he blocked off the guy that was chasing the cows?
Yeah. Oh bloody hell, that's a bull. Ugh.
I'm good, aren't I?
You're very good. Right, so the farmer's just chased them up the road now, past me.
Cows?
Yeah. Oh bloody hell, that's a bull. Ugh.
I'm good, aren't I?
You're very good. Right, so the farmer's just chased them up the road now, past me. So I think we're okay.